Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I am going to guide you through how you can change public profile info to friends of friends on Facebook Lite. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Facebook Lite app in your device. Then tap on three lines icon. Next, tap on settings. After that, tap on followers and public content. Next, you can see the option of public profile info. Tap on it. After that, you can see the option of friends of friends. Tap on it. So, this is how you can change public profile info to friends of friends on Facebook Lite. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.